What if I told you? You could fly time travel, meet your favorite celebrity, or conquer your deepest fear while you're asleep. Sounds wild, right? But this isn't sci-fi, it's called lucid dreaming, and science says it's real. So, let me take you into the crazy world of dreams you can actually control. Lucid dreaming is when you realize you're dreaming, right in the middle of a dream. And not only that, you can actually control what happens next. But what's really going on in your brain when this happens, and why are scientists so obsessed with it? Alright, let's break it down. When I hit deep REM sleep, most of my brain powers down. But during a lucid dream, my prefrontal cortex, the part that handles logic and self-awareness, suddenly lights up. This is huge. It means I can actually think critically while I'm dreaming. I recognize, wait, this is a dream. And then, well, the sky's literally the limit. I can fly, bend the rules, do whatever I want. It's like I'm a superhero in my own subconscious. But why should you care? First, overcoming nightmares. If you're tired of running from monsters in your sleep, lucid dreaming lets you switch things up. I can turn that monster into a puppy, or just walk away. Studies show this helps people with PTSD and recurring nightmares. Second, improving real-life skills. Believe it or not, research shows I can practice things like playing piano or martial arts in a lucid dream and then actually get better at them in real life. Athletes, musicians, even public speakers use lucid dreaming to rehearse and boost performance. Third, creative problem solving. Some of the world's greatest inventions in art were inspired by dreams. Lucid dreaming gives me limitless access to my subconscious creativity. It's like brainstorming with no boundaries. Fourth, self-awareness. It's like meditation, but turbocharged. Exploring my own mind in real time helps with mindfulness, confidence, and even emotional healing. So can anyone do it? Absolutely. Lucid dreaming is a skill, and like any skill, it just takes practice. Here are a few tips to get started. Keep a dream journal. Write down your dreams as soon as you wake up. Do reality checks during the day, like asking yourself, am I dreaming? Try the wake back to bed technique. Set an alarm, wake up for a bit, then go back to sleep. And experiment with binaural beats or guided sleep meditations before bed. Imagine this, a world with no limits, where your dreams are your playground. You already spend a third of your life asleep. Why not take control of it? If you found this fascinating, hit that like button, subscribe for more mind-bending science, and let me know in the comments, what's the first thing you would do in a lucid dream?